It's a natural question that after finding the top 3, 5, or 10 products contributing to your revenue, what's the quality of your plan? What's the variance of the rest of the products? So you would want to find out the products which are giving you negative or positive variance. In order to find out this kind of a picture, we have this report which is ready and we will create this report from scratch. But let's take a look at the elements of this report. This report has got everything to answer our question for now. We've got products, we've got the actuals and plan measures, we've also got a variance in absolute as well as percentage, and we've got some nice conditional formatting. Now, this is the topic of the session, conditional formatting. So let's create this report from scratch quickly. I will launch a new report, take it to focus mode for now, get my time dimension. I can get all the three scales. Let me only keep year and quarter. I'll go to my product dimension and I'll get my product name in the row dimension. For my values actual, I have got my revenue actuals. And for my plan, I have got my revenue plan. I should have taken this measure and placed it in my compare to plan bucket, but it's okay. We'll manage the version now. We go to insert, set version, take revenue plan and place it in the right bucket of version. Say update. Now we go to home. We create our T1 template by clicking on performance. We are almost there and we will see that there is a conditional format which is automatically created because it's a part of the template. Click on manage rules. We'll copy this condition, just edit the condition. Right now, just for the nomenclature perspective, we are changing the comparison sign from less than equal to greater than equal to. Now we are going to change the condition. We are also going to change the format. Hit apply. The last action that we have to do is to create a rule. So instead of creating a rule, we'll again duplicate this one, edit this, change the name of the title, go to row headers, product name is fine. We'll go to values only. Let's go to grand total, not just a specific year. Greater than 0 is fine. We are using the condition on this specific measure, which is the variance by percentage. And now we change the font color, keep it bold, use the borders, and we have no fill. Apply. See you in the next video.